sales and tell Cook to hurry and get some blueberries while you're at it.
But there's no sales up, is there?
Then get them up in, then get them up and get them back down again.
Got it, Cat. I said that. I'm first mate. I'm first mate. I'm supposed to be replying to the orders, not you.
Well, it seems like you're not very good at being first mate. I think it's time for a switch over.
You can't talk, you're just a cook. The only thing you've ever killed is a fish. I've killed a grown man.
He was asleep.
Well, I had to follow
Well,
him first.
enough. Get on with it, or Captain Aria will make the cabin boy first mate.
Can I be first mate? Sure,
No.
All crew to deck!
What is it, Cat?
We know how we're trying to earn our respect for this power, right? Being the great pirates that we are.
But we aren't even allowed to watch R-rated movies.
Shut it. We are going to steal the necklace of the pirate queen on the silent squid.
But we're not even able to pull down the sails, let alone steal a famous pirate necklace.
How are we even going to get it?
That's not what we're here for.
Do you think taking it away might have some bad side effects?
Nah. Now, cabin boy, go scout the defenses of the castle and bring back some raspberries while you're at it. You're a bit pettyish.
Okay, Cat. Hey, Cat, are you sure there's raspberries here?
Just hurry up.
Okay.
What's that noise though?
I think there's wolves or something in there. Now, follow the captain's orders.
Okay, sister.
Never. Sister. Okay. What's that noise? Oh, it's the crew from the Silent Squid. They're discussing plans. This will surely earn our respect in the pirate world.
Captain! What? Don't interrupt me.
But Captain, I saw the Silent Squid.
Wait, what?
I was looking for the raspberries and I saw it.
You mean you saw the ship that the pirate queen is on?
Yes, I also heard their plans. Apparently there's going to be a pirate all in 2 days.
Okay. Let's go to the kitchens.
Cabin boy, did you get my raspberries?
No, I didn't get raspberries. I brought coconuts though.
Coconuts? Then now I can't get my shark and raspberries tied.
Where do you even get the shark from?
Somewhere. You're not supposed to know.
Alright. All crew gather around. I have a plan. The cabin boy has spotted the silent squid on shore.
Really?
No credit to him. So here's our plan. We will anchor our ship, the Lopsided Duck.
Why are you even called a lopsided duck? I mean, don't you think if we're going to...
Don't interrupt me!
That's the least of our problems.
Anyway, when we dock our ship close to the shore, we will all run into the wall and then I will chain the pirate queen, while Julie, Eliza, and Sophie go and distract everyone. Then the cook and the cabin boy will chop off the necklace. We will run back to the ship, and then we will be the most feared pirates in all the land. I mean, the sea. I mean both. Let's go!
Go find your clothes. Is this just good enough? Look at these shoes. No, they're horrible. Go find a new one. Your shoes need more sparkly. Is this necklace good enough for the ball?
Yes, I suppose.
Hey you.
My name's Grace O'Reilly.
Who cares? Where are the decorations?
Scarlet knows where they are.
Where are the decorations?
I left them in the crow's nest. In the rain. Oops.
You better walk the plane.
No, she can make the calamari for tonight.
I'm so excited for the calamari ball tonight.
Scarlett's been getting on my nerves.
She's been on everyone's nerves for weeks.
I got intriguing news. The necklace that the queen wears all the time, when she takes it off, she turns to a kraken.
Mother will be so proud, sis. We should take the necklace. It will be worth a fortune after all. And then we will...
What am I hearing? Are you guys talking about family? You know what? When I think about family.
Well, we're our sister and sister. We're niece and nephew. I mean, we're not niece and nephew. We're mother and daughter. No, we're not mother and mother. I've never seen this woman in my life. You realise she's a Kraken and calamari's for dinner?
I love calamari.
I don't know.
I love calamari. Who said that?
Oh my god, I did not know the necklace did that!